gusto natin silang tanungin kung ano ba yung favorite subject nila in school and why. O, diba? Parang slumbok lang. We are joined by past year's graduates, meaning ilang years na sila since they graduated. First up, she plays Martha Sapieta, Interdisciplinary Studies with a track in Communication Arts from Ateneo de Manila University, batch 2007, Krista Ranillo. Hi! Hello, everyone!
Well, yes, my favorite subject, siguro may philosophy classes.
Or you like philo also?
Yeah. Actually,
bakit?
Kasi talagang, you know, it was my first time to study philosophy, and then cliche, but I learned a lot.
Okay, next. Eto naman, he is a DJ from Magic 89.9 and the host of Studio 23's Wildcard and NCC. Com Arts naman ang kanyang course from De La Salle University, batch 2008. Aaron Atayde.
How you doing, everybody? Thank you for having us.
Hi, Aaron. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, favorite subject?
My favorite subject would probably be my production classes for communications, TV production, radio production. Kasi I liked, actually I enjoyed being behind the camera more than in front sometimes. Mas okay yung I get to control everything that's going on.
Okay, thank you very much, Aaron. We are also joined by panelists na batch 2009 graduates din, starting off with model, actress, and of course our YSP Kabarkada, BS Management major in Communication Technology, batch 2009. Kahapon ka nag-graduate, March 27, 2009. Bettina Carlos.
Hi!
Favorite subject?
My favorite subject, I think I have two. I like history.
Really?
Yeah, it interests me to know like what happened in the past and how the present transpired. And philosophy also, because it makes me think
Tama. Alam niyo, mga Atenista talaga mahilig sa
Yes.
philo. Hindi ko
Yeah.
alam bakit. So, history, bibigat ng mga favorite subjects mo. Thank you, Bettina. Next up naman, ito I just learned, graduate na pala siya this year. Of course, we all know her as the Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2 Grand Star Dreamer, Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, Philippine Women's University, batch 2009, graduating on April 3, 2009. Of course, La Arnie Lozada.
hello, good afternoon everyone.
La Arnie, okay, music ba ang favorite subject? Ay, hindi. What's your favorite subject?
Honestly, PE talaga. Kasi from very start, gusto ko talagang pumayat. Kasi sobrang
PE?
taba ko.
Oh my!
Yes, kasi dami mga exercises, so ganun. And aside from that, syempre, meron mga music subjects, so yun.
Extracurriculars ang favorite ni Arnie. Thank you, La Arnie. Okay, eto naman, bigatin ng ating panelist na to. BS Economics lang naman siya, University. Issue for a lot. Fitting in, looks, natutokso, yon. Problems and challenge na ganon. Trying to fit in. You, Katrina, kanya pa you're nodding. Meron ka bang fitting in issue while growing up?
Nung high school kasi galing din ako sa all girls. So when I entered UP, parang culture shock talaga.
shock.
As in, hindi lang sa basta-basta biglang nagka-boys. Pero parang lahat ng katabi mo valedictorian. Parang ang galing-galing nilang lahat. So parang it took me some time to really find myself. Parang ganon. And
Ano yung mga ginawa mo to be confident enough na, yun nga, na meron kang place in this world, ganon?
actually, you should just have your own friends. As in, people who accept you. Tapos, hard work talaga. As in, yun yung natutunan ko sa UP eh. Parang, pag pumasok ka ng college, pantay-pantay na ulit kayo. Parang you're a nobody already. So, you should work hard. So, yun.
Hard work. La Arnie, ikaw.
Ako naman, since talagang bata ako, pinaka-weakness ko yung peklat ko talaga sa katawan, especially dito. Kasi,
Pareho tayo!
yeah, kasi it reminds me of something nung bata ako, syempre,
Yes.
di ba pinapalo ako ng parents ko, so parang lumaki akong ganon.
And
So
lalo na,
kahit saan ako pumunta, dala-dala ko yun.
grade school kids can be mean, haha, negra, baluga, ganon.
Oh,
Ganon. Tinukso din ako nung, may issues pa ako, hindi, joke lang. Pero, how did you deal with that naman, La Arnie?
I turned it into
Dala mo
positive.
yun eh, di ba, while you're growing up?
Sobrang, ito, ginamit ko para i-pursue ko yung dream ko. Dahil, yun nga, lumaki kasi ako sa province. So ngayon, nung pumunta ako dito sa Maynila, para hanapin yung swerte ko. So, kumbaga, yung mga experiences ko nung mga masasakit na experience ko nung bata ako, yun yung ginamit ko para ma-achieve ko yung dream ko.
Ah, galing nga. That's a good tip. Ito naman, ito ang isang pinagdaanan. Katrina, Bite, and Darnie, our graduates. Ito na, real world na nga, as they say.
Ako, from being a probinsyana, simple probinsyana, and then into a very professional na. So, yun, isa yun sa mga naano kayo yung personal development. Kasi sobrang, ang laki talaga ng pinagbago ko. Lumaki ako sa probinsya and then, independent ako dito sa Maynila. So sobrang, yun pa lang, ang dami ko na natutunan, pagiging independent, how to discipline myself, takot sa Diyos, everything. And then yung responsibility ko sa family.
Responsibility. I think everyone shares that you really learn responsibility. How about Bettina? I speak, we call our Y Awards. And to help me give out those awards, can I call up Mikey Lee on stage? Okay. Meron tayong mga honorable mention for this episode of Y Speak. And Mikey will be giving their medal. It goes to the three ladies na batch 2009 graduates. We have our One of the Boys awardee, Bettina. Thank you for joining us. We have our award for the singing teacher, Larnie. Larnie, good luck, ha? And we have an award for Miss Extracurricular Activities na cum laude pa, Katrina. Congratulations! I think itong medal na binigay namin sa inyo, parang symbolic siya ng medal ng lahat. Kumbaga ng diploma ng lahat ng mga graduates this 2009. Again, thank you very much to our panelists for being here. And thank you very much also to our two resource speakers. Thank you for joining us. We have a lot of people to thank Mikey for making this episode possible. We would like to thank Clean and Clear, Face It All with Clean and Clear, Shock Magazine, College Never Looked This Good, and Zagu Pearl Shakes. Thank you very much. Of course, we would like to thank everyone from SM City Fairview, Miss Mitchell Martel, Mall Manager, Miss Mela and Miss Blessy Jinko, Leasing Managers, Miss Andrea Retugal, Brand Manager, Miss May Jacinto, Marketing Assistant, and most importantly, thank you, Miss Romina Faye Pasis, Brand Officer. Maraming salamat for hosting us here.
And we'd also like to invite everyone